Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of Hilton Santa Barbara Beachfront Resort. This luxurious coastal retreat, situated along the stunning coastline of Santa Barbara, California, is nestled on 24 acres of lush gardens and directly across from pristine beaches. It features elegant rooms and suites, multiple dining options, an expansive outdoor pool, an on-site spa, tennis courts, a modern fitness center, and plenty of indoor and outdoor event spaces. As we entered, we were greeted by the beautiful Christmas tree inside the lobby, which features plenty of comfortable seating and design elements with a nod to the hotel's natural surroundings, including ocean-inspired color palettes. Let's take a look at room 417 here at the Hilton Santa Barbara waterfront. So as soon as you walk in, there's a nice little closet here with an iron and ironing board. And here's the single sink vanity and a nice bathroom. There's a shower, the tub, the toilet, and there's a second sink in here, which is nice. And that nice backlit mirror. Now let's check out the bedroom. This is a 2-queen room. So there's 2 nice beds right there. Big screen TV with a coffee maker. And underneath here, there's a small fridge and a safe. There's a nice office desk with a bunch of plugs here to charge your devices. And a chair with some wine and water, which is for purchase. Now let's check out the patio. Let's open up this door. It's kind of dark out here, so you can't really see much, but there's 2 chairs here and a nice little table. So that is a look at the 2-queen room here at the Hilton Santa Barbara waterfront. The set is known for its breathtaking ocean views and cozy fire pits, making it an ideal spot for sunset watching. With bistro-style dishes and specialty cocktails available for lunch, dinner, and weekend brunch, it's perfect for a relaxing, scenic dining experience. We had appetizers here on a Sunday afternoon, which consisted of the crispy Brussels sprouts, chicken wings, and the amazing queso fundido, which I forgot to take a video of. The Roundhouse serves an eclectic breakfast menu using locally sourced, fresh, seasonal ingredients. It offers both indoor seating and a large patio for outdoor dining with serene views of the Pacific Ocean. The wine tasting room offers an authentic boutique wine tasting experience, showcasing exceptional local vintages. It's the perfect setting to discover new favorites while savoring the flavors of the region. For a quick pick-me-up, stop by Java Del Mar located by the lobby. This cafe serves Starbucks coffee and light snacks, perfect for starting your day or enjoying an afternoon treat. Terraza Del Mar is the resort's pool bar, serving refreshing summer cocktails and light bites for poolside snacking. Unfortunately, the pool was closed for renovations during our stay, which was a significant disappointment. We had hoped to enjoy a relaxing swim and soak up the warm California sunshine, which would have enhanced our overall experience. Just like the pool, the spa is also undergoing renovations. It's scheduled to reopen by spring of 2025. Let's take a look at the fitness center here. So there's the towels there, some medicine balls. There's the free weights. And they have several treadmills here. And a couple bikes, 2 ellipticals, and they have 3 Peloton bikes here, which is nice. A leg machine, and a nice cable machine. So it's a nice little gym here. Those looking to be more active can use the resort bikes located by the main entrance to explore the surrounding area. The resort proudly hosts the Dimitar Tennis Academy, widely regarded as Santa Barbara's premier tennis training destination. Lessons are led by renowned tennis coach Dimitar Yazadiev, who specializes in both competitive tennis training and skill development for players of all levels. Whether you're hosting a grand annual convention or an intimate family gathering, the Hilton Santa Barbara Beachfront Resort offers the perfect setting for your next meeting or special event. The resort features an impressive 60,000 square feet of versatile indoor and outdoor event space, complete with breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and the Santa Ynez Mountains. So the resort offers several EV charging stations here. So I see a total of 6 in this area, which makes it very convenient to charge your EV when you stay at the resort. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at the Hilton Santa Barbara Beachfront Resort. The hotel is modern and offers excellent dining options to suit a variety of taste. Our room was luxurious, spacious, and impeccably clean, providing a perfect retreat after a day of exploration. One of the standout features is the hotel's location, right across from the beach. This makes it incredibly convenient for guests to take a refreshing dip in the ocean or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shore. While we wish the pool had been open during our visit, we appreciated seeing the hotel invest in upgrades to enhance the guest experience. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a business retreat, the Hilton Santa Barbara Beachfront Resort delivers an unforgettable coastal escape. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.